What is the best, idiomatic, way to check the type of a Python variable? I need to know if a variable in Python is a string or a dict. Is there anything wrong with the following code? Update. I accepted Avisa's answer, though I will change my mind if someone explains why isinstance is preferred over typex is. But thanks to Naked Fanatic for reminding me that it's often cleaner to use a dict, as a case statement, than an if/elif/else series. Let me elaborate on my use case. If a variable is a string, I need to put it in a list. If it's a dict, I need a list of the unique values. Here's what I came up with. If isinstance is preferred, how would you write this value_list function?
What happens if somebody passes a Unicode string to your function? Or a class derived from dict? Or a class implementing a dict-like interface? Following code covers first two cases. If you are using Python 2.6, you might want to use collections.mapping instead of dict as per the ABC PEP.
Type dict says make a new dict, and then find out what its type is. It's quicker to say just dict. But if you want to just check type, a more idiomatic way is isinstance x, dict. Note that isinstance also includes subclasses. Thanks, Dustin.
Built-in types in Python have built-in names. BTW note the is operator. However, type checking, if you want to call it that, is usually done by wrapping a type-specific test in a try-except clause, as it's not so much the type of the variable that's important, but whether you can do a certain something with it or not.
Isinstance is preferable over type because it also evaluates as true when you compare an object instance with its superclass, which basically means you won't ever have to special case your old code for using it with dict or str subclasses. For example, of course, there might be situations where you wouldn't want this behavior, but those are hopefully a lot less common than situations where you do want it.
I think I will go for the duck typing approach. If it walks like a duck, it quacks like a duck, it's a duck. This way you will need not worry about if the string is a Unicode or ASCII. Here is what I will do. The experts here are welcome to comment on this type of usage of duck typing. I have been using it but got introduced to the exact concept behind it lately and am very excited about it. So I would like to know if that's an overkill to do.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.